light check, so I got a lot of stock parts. Yeah, I got stock frame Eastern growler. I don't mind it.
Bent?
It's a little bent in the back. You know, killing it out there. But yeah, I got stock bars, stock stem. I have stock cranks and stock seat post and sprocket. That's about it for stock though. I got JCPC pedals. Love them. They're awesome. Never slip off them. I got, I don't know, blackout grips because my bike store's retarded and doesn't sell ODIs. So the next best thing. So, you know, look them up. Probably not on the Amazon or anything because they suck. But I got Colony Guardian forks. They're awesome. I love them. I got G-Sport roll cage rim, also awesome. Got Demolition Bulimia hub. It's alright. I don't know. It's not very strong, but whatever. I got, Animal MK3 pegs. Front, back, yeah. What else? I also want a hub guard for this, but you know they don't sell me because it's a crappy hub. And I got G-Sport bridge cage back wheel, back rim because before they made the roll cage. And I got G-Sport back hub, which is awesome hub. Buy it right now because it's crazy. I also got another Animal peg. I got profile hub guard that goes with it. I got Animal GLH tires, best tires in the world. You should also go out right now and buy those. Stop watching this video and buy some GLH tires. And I got a Harvey seat, which I don't know if the seat is not much to say. It's not a big beefy seat. I like that. That's it. Yeah. Sponsored by Steel Optics and Wreckage Clothing. So check out their websites. See you.